Okay, gonna start marking out everything before open here. The monthly, I want the okay. Weekly's trading inside big time. Little itty bitty weekly candle. Daily looks heavy, looks like it wants to go down. Near all-time high here, but the daily. This little here. Would have taken out yesterday's low, left yesterday's high. Let's take a look at regular trading hours where we end up yesterday. Right there. That gives us $23.03. We are way up there where we closed. So we went down a lot overnight, huh? Oh yeah, that's right. Asia just dumped it. Forgot about that. Boom. Asia just dumped it last night. Okay, so what do we have for above and below targets? Obviously we have opening gap. So I might want to run to here. Let's go towards that gap fill. Obvious low. Short term here though. It's only like 40 points though. The range yesterday afternoon was really, really bad. Just look at all these tiny ass candles. There they are in the afternoon. I confused them with Asia, right? They're so small. So we're kind of stuck in the middle of this range now. Got an idiot box on the 15. Gaps pointed out on the 5. It does translate over to 15 too. An idiot box here. Let's see which way she wants to go. Something like that. It's consolidating. Left that gap up this morning, boom, slam. It's pretty balanced through here. Back up, balance through there. It's holding the support. It's only been tested once. Okay, let's see it take some liquidity at open and give us a setup and be in and out. looks so dumpy, but when it looks dumpy, you know, it's when it looks dumpy. Could creep back up into this order block here. This fair value gap is. This fair value gap lines up with the 1 hour order block. So we could stair step up there and then come back down. Let's see. Bitcoin ripped overnight, 117, almost 118. Going up to almost 119. Getting squirrely. 2 minutes before, getting squirrely. Minute and a half to open. Holds that little pump too. So hold on, I need to make sure I am logged in. Okay, I am logged. I was not logged in. I'm glad I checked. This is a real account. I don't think this is logged in at all. No, that's not logged in. And this is not logged in. No, okay. On these ones, sometimes I will throw on a paper trading. I'm getting used to the movement of gold, and I'll take a paper trade every so often to. It basically moves just like NQ, same setup, so seem to be working on it. This looks like it wants to dump right into that fair value gap down. Okay, 21 down. Anyway, let's go back. What's about to happen? Straight up on open. Already to the fair value, yeah. Let's see how she reacts. Right through that 1 hour order block to the 21 moving. So it didn't stair step, it just went straight up. Well, that was 40 points, so that wasn't that huge of a move, I guess. That's how small these candles have been. That candle right there, that 2 p.m. candle. So that's a 1 hour candle. Crazy. Reacting as I thought it would somewhere around here. These order blocks here. Off the 21, they're all lined up. 15-minute fair value gap. How big of a move did we get it open? $180 ticks, that's pretty good open. Still hasn't broken out of the idiot box though, I don't think. Oh no, it's the 15. No, it hasn't. 5. Kind of. This could be the Judas. It really should take out this liquidity. Just this liquidity. Dove a little deeper into this than I thought it would, but still, it's acting the way I think I thought it would. Up and then down, but really no clear entry except the YOLO. Just waiting for setups now. Let's go. Big sauce, come on. Got stuck there, I might have jumped in that. Does not look like it wanted to go in reverse right there, so. Well, a lot of the opens this week, this price action is crushing breakout traders. Unless they took profit here and right on open. Look at that. Look at this 15-minute candle. Oh my god. So this really faked out a lot of traders here. Sup, caps? But did hit off this order block here. That was a sandy play. You could have taken that order block short. Close from yesterday's here. Asia dumped the hell out of it. Left this fair value gap here. A whole bunch of order blocks here, right? At least one order block. Good one. Hard rejection off that bat. Judas might have been this here. Up and down. Now we're hunting this. I was actually looking for this to bounce back up and do another drive, but it bounced and stopped. I did not enter along there. But now it's clearly going for this down here. That was a fucking entry for this dump. But my mind was backwards. I thought I'd fill this gap, come drive up here a little bit more, try to get this liquidity and then dump. See what does it, all these. I'll just go. See you. That's what I'm looking at here from the 15. Throw one here. It's about 50%. This wick's point to about 50% of the bigger wick. NQ has been nasty this week. It just want like I traded the PM session yesterday, quote unquote traded the PM session yesterday. Look how tiny these candles are. That's the PM session. It was crazy. Didn't actually move until after I got off. Or it was 3 to 4. Well, that took some good liquidity on the 1. Is it enough to reverse it? Probably not. Gap risk. If I was thinking about play, right? Like a big gas gap risk. A little bit too big for me. Oh, we're just gonna do this. Easy. Daily bottom is 831. I'm gonna make a new low. We're just gonna get stuck here all day. feels like this is building more trust me, bro. Support. So close to 21 and 200 is. That's so weird. If you're trading on BTCC, you would have got a $3.50 move here. And then lost money because of the fees. It's like the worst price action when it does this. Well, for me anyway. It's just balanced price range. Doesn't want to come back up into here. That will be the trap, if anything. Right. One hour looks heavy as hell. Tap right off the 21. It doesn't want to come back. It doesn't want to give a retracement for entry. Yeah, I'm pretty low. And TSI message in the chat. A pretty low energy in the morning. And honestly, I don't even know what music I have on. I think I put on some lo-fi, non-copywritten stuff. I haven't even listened to it. Maybe I should before I do that. So NQ has been freaking like for 2 weeks, at least all week. Just making these drastic moves, not giving you any real retracement. You get one shot. That was the shot right there, and then goes into immediate chop. lot of traders had a hard time this week. It's kind of why I've been trying to start to watch gold. ES has actually been stronger, making better setups. At least it was yesterday afternoon. ES and NQ are pretty correlated. Like they'll have basically the same patterns going on. One will be stronger than the other though. See, this is already crossed. The twin one's already crossed there. Okay, let's see if she wants to drive up into that. How big are these candles? I check how big the candles are to see what my top risk would be. I'm gonna call BS if this is as much as it's gonna dump. It left all this down here. That's aggressive. No 15-minute candle, I missed that. So you got the 50-minute breakout traders that say once it breaks through the bottom of the top of 15-minute range, you get short. Along here, they got short and got wrecked. This is crazy. This is gonna friggin' barcode. Look at that. Daddy T showing some profit this morning. Playing fibs. That's crazy. Well, fibs wick to wick. Oh, ta-da. Still one is wrong. Thank you on a recognition. Keep putting in double time. See if my sound's on the other. Yeah. That looks awesome too. This work. Oh, you have me up on the big screen. What the hell, dude? I might put you to sleep with this action. Friggin' range bound. What sucks about me missing this trade here is yesterday I did the exact same thing, except I did go long, and then I put it at break even and it slipped. I lost like 50 bucks on the trade. So I should have remembered from yesterday that I tried the same damn thing, and it was going to come back down. This wasn't powerful enough to get up, and once I realized it wasn't powerful enough, I didn't take the trade, but I should have just said, okay, I'm going short then. Put my stop above it. Let it ride down to not even here. Would have been done for the day in less than a minute, yeah. That was really good. Right now, it keeps just not following through with anything, as you can see. It's ripping. Hour candle will look interesting when we're all said and done. 5 minute giving us any hints, not really. We have a $1 million price prediction for XRP in the group. Oh, flag breakout. So, those of you who play flags, what would you have entered on this flag here? Above this wick here. No fall through again. So. Still, that's enough to end the day. Oh, friggin' Daddy T's in the house. Waka. You're a big flag guy, Daddy T, aren't you? What would you have entered on this flag here? Yeah, I was pulling with it. I pulled the fib earlier and it didn't work. It looked like it was gonna work, but then it said fuck you, and then it flagged out. Yeah, there's liquidity up here all the way, right? Um, but as you see, this is it makes me mad when I see that. The liquidity up here, right? You're right, about 23, 20, about 23. Still got a little bit of that gap to fill out, right? On the 15. This freaking Asia just dumped it. Freaking just went. See ya. So yeah, I got from there to there. It's not that much. Then this is right here is where we closed. 2303 is where we closed. Looks like that's where it's hunting. They did a double Judas today. This, I thought this was the Judas here. Sweep this, then go down and hit these here. But no, so I was kind of expecting it to come back up, but inverse this fair value gap, right? Inversed it, but then never came the frig back down for it. I just made this little flag here, it didn't flag down into it and up. Turned the inverse fair value gap into a breakaway fair value gap here. Would have liked to see this have come back down more towards the 21. The 21 and 200 are so close together. Yeah, they might want it right now. They might pop it. Where are we at? Oh, we just went to the hour, new hour. Closed above the 21. Full port long, guys. This is what's concerning me about it hitting these, other than a spike. Are like the moving averages are pretty predictive in NQ, and this is coming down hard. Once it curl back up, maybe we'll start doing this on the 1 hour, like the 1 minute's doing, and not come all the way down and just tease it. But both the 200 and the 21 are curving away. What I don't like is I'm pretty good at putting lines where it likes to react, and today it's been a little short of those lines, so I don't dare like this retrace back in, probably not. It's right at the top of this one here. Thanks for watching, T. I'm no entertainer, I'm a trader. So it does not use me anymore. There we go. Three-minute looks smoother than anything. I created that swing low with order block. I call this a windmill pattern where it comes back down, and then this next one dips into the fair value gap and rips. Like a propeller on a windmill. The 3-minute looks really smooth looking. I rarely use the 3-minute, because usually the 1 or 2 is good enough. 2 minutes not too bad either. Actually, I'll look at that. But it's rare that it doesn't hit my targets before reversing. I would have been looking for a reverse if it swept this. And then be mindful of this one, right? So that would give me 2 shots on the reversal. Here and here, but it stopped short. Now it's stopping short of this one up here. Morning, Jeff. I swear, if it's just range bound all day, which could be, it's been one of those weeks. Like the weekly candle is ridiculous. Look at that weekly candle. But I only need 1 minute, one 1-minute candle. That's all I need. Don't know. Guys, sell all your Bitcoin, it's a scam. Let's see that data T. Gotta bounce off this. This is what the NQ's been doing lately though. It's been really just coming short of like, came short of this fair value gap, started reversing there. Filled this one and took off, didn't touch this one at all. Didn't tap that. Again. Gold is laddering up too. ES is looking heavy. NQ is looking a little stronger. It wants to dip down and back up. See, being very patient. I have actually probably way too many copy trades on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 5 accounts being copied right now. When you have 5 accounts being copied, you don't really need much movement to win or lose a lot of money. I'm gonna write breakout trades with fresh people today, but here we go. Data T, you're gonna get your 23,000. See, this 15-minute looks bullish. This 1 hour looks bearish. 2 hour probably looks bearish. Yeah, 2 hour looks like it wants to dive. Well, that looks like it might be a good reversal. I'm just strictly talking about the moving averages. 4 hours starting to curve down. 1 holding tight, pulling away. Usually, and usually when that happens, it signifies that it's going to be choppy. When you have, especially when you have the 15 that's looking bullish, while the 1 and higher are looking bearish, it usually is a good signature of choppiness. Oh, now you want 22,888. I thought you wanted 23. Oh yeah, drop. Gotcha. You want to retrace. All the way to 888, all the way down here. Is that the 76? Yep. Yeah, Caps, I agree. Have fun at the doctor, bro. Hopefully it goes well. I thought Asia was going to be better in the afternoon yesterday too, and I really just should have went out and enjoyed the fucking day. I can't even tell you how bad Asia the afternoon session was for like 2 straight days. Not that this morning session's any better. What do breakout traders have? They have that one flag there. They have this flag maybe if they played it. That's a tough flag to play though. We're already freaking chopping and it's only freaking 10. It's right back into the 15-minute range too. Just barely in the 15-minute range, top end of it. Yeah, that's risky biz. You're on an eval though, right? You played this short here. What the hell did you play? Ah, okay, I see you posted in Discord. Oh yeah, you have like 8,000 fibs on. Notice how your 786 on that 15-minute. I don't know which one hits an order block perfectly. On the 15 where all those big gaps are, right there, or hits that order block perfectly. That's what I love about like this, like all the order blocks and the fair value gaps. A lot of the times I don't even need to pull fibs; they all just line up. They line up in the same spaces. See, this is where the old me would try to long this right here, because I think it's going to hit my target, even though it's proven that I'm wrong here. It didn't hit my target here, came short here. Old me's like, oh, fucking long it. It's going to go there. But really should do nothing here. It's at the top of this range. It needs to do something. It needs to retrace. I'm hoping for the retracement like Daddy T said. Let's retrace into here. Back into this, what do we got? No, we don't really have much of shit. Like, I was looking for a breaker. I'm not gonna find the breakers though. This could be considered a breaker here. This whole set, actually. Right? That'd be a big ass breaker though, huh? Anybody here play breakers? I don't normally. I'm trying to learn them. Because this would be considered a unicorn setup if this is indeed a breaker. You got a breaker with a fair value gap right where Daddy T wants it to come down, right? So you're talking about this kind of move. Oh, look at that. I should have longed it. Went right to my target. Old me was right this time. Um, maybe this now. Maybe you'll get this now, Daddy. God, I have to call you like DT or something. So where do you put your stops on those fibs? When you like pull a 786? That's what's always confused me about the turtle soups too. It's like, okay, I get like turtle soup into a 786 liquidity sweep. Oh, okay. Well then, yeah. If you don't put stops, then sure. It's like something I got to talk to Sandy more about. That's really the like one of the biggest things stopping me from trying to turtle soup is like, well, okay, like 786, but where do I put the stop? That's why I normally wait for it to make an order block and then I jump in on the order block. And I miss a good portion of that move because that soup can be big sometimes. But I'll wait for the order block to form so I know that the move is like confirmed the most that it can be confirmed. Like this must have been 786 soup here to from something, right? Oh yeah, right here. So yeah, that like the 786 here, you would have caught it here. And then put your stop below the swing low. So we got a long position like aiming for at least this, right? That's not a bad it's not a bad trade, right? Actually, I want to post that to the group text, Andy. I need to jump on the computer though. It's a lot easier when it already played out, right? Looking at it. But I just asked Andy if that would have been a nice play. Never came back. That's what I'm saying. The NQ is just coming short of everything and then ripping. Short of everything, then ripping. Guess it did dip into that fair value gap a little. inefficiency here. Might want to come back for it. Ah, crap, I gotta take a phone call. 1 second. Oh man, I'm just trying to get a friggin' new car and it's not not fun. They keep getting sold underneath me. Have fun, T. Looks like she's shopping. All the way up. This could have been another entry, I suppose, but I talked about why I didn't take that one. Okay, I have to call this. I have to take care of my car situation. If I do end up taking a trade, I'll just do a recap video later on today. Or I might stream in the afternoon unless I have to go pick up a car. Okay. Thanks.